Welcome. If you've been struggling to lose weight and slim down those stubborn inches, I want to share something that can make a real difference for you. Today, we're going to target one of the biggest culprits behind belly fat, stress hormones. These hormones often work against us, and while we can't control them directly, we can support our body by detoxifying our organs so they function more efficiently. When that happens, the changes you see will be amazing. One of the most powerful natural remedies is dandelion tea. It's packed with healing properties that can actually reverse some of the unpleasant side effects of overindulging, such as fluid retention, weight gain, and sluggishness. Dandelion stimulates the liver to produce fat-burning enzymes, which in turn speeds up metabolism. Remember, the liver is our body's main filter, and it can easily become overworked from sugar, additives, toxins, and pollutants. When the liver slows down, it disrupts key hormones, our hunger hormones, thyroid hormones, stress hormones, and even sleep hormones. This imbalance leads to insulin resistance, belly fat, and puts you at risk for diabetes. What's incredible about dandelion tea is how quickly it reduces bloating. It stimulates bile production to ease digestion and relieve constipation. It also acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body release excess fluids almost instantly. Another powerful ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon boosts metabolism because your body burns extra energy just to process it. It also creates satiety, the full, satisfied feeling that prevents overeating. Cinnamon is a strong anti-inflammatory and its polyphenols improve insulin sensitivity. When the body struggles with insulin, blood glucose levels rise, leading to fat accumulation, diabetes, and obesity-related diseases. Cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar, reduce bad cholesterol, LDLs, and lower triglycerides. Research also shows that cinnamon can help shrink waistlines and reduce overall body weight, making it a potent tool. Visceral fat, the dangerous fat that surrounds your organs and increases risks for cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, and even stroke. Now let's talk about raw honey. Honey is another natural powerhouse. It has antibacterial and antiviral benefits, while also suppressing the hunger hormone ghrelin, helping you stay full longer. Honey is rich in antioxidants and phenols, which protect the heart. Studies show honey reduces blood sugar levels, prevents excessive weight gain, improves cholesterol balance, and lowers triglycerides. These effects can significantly reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, the clogging of arteries. Now, let me share with you a simple healing elixir you can start using right away. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of boiling water, 1 tea bag of dandelion root, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a few drizzles of raw honey, or a natural sweetener if needed. Mix everything together, and enjoy. The aroma alone is wonderful, but what it will do for your liver and kidneys is even more powerful. You'll feel energized, less bloated, and your entire system will function more harmoniously. Drink this tea first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast. Then, have another cup before bedtime. Within just a few days, you'll notice your belly and waistline changing, your energy rising, and your overall health improving. You'll feel like $1,000,000. And here's how to maximize your results. Eat plenty of soluble fiber. Avoid trans fats. Limit alcohol. Reduce stress levels. Get regular aerobic exercise. Cut back on refined and processed carbs. Add light resistance training if possible. Watch out for sugary drinks and fruit juices. Prioritize restful sleep. Incorporate probiotic foods or supplements. Include omega-3s in your diet to reduce visceral fat. Here's to your health. Share this video with friends and family, leave your comments below, and most importantly, make it a great day.